Yes, but he's going to pull all the way to Chile, so go ahead with the TK2.
Okay, we are approved, clear to cross runway 07, and we will proceed to gate A to a KLM 59.
Yeah, I know you need the mufflers, but let's go ahead and we need you out of the runway due to the flooding traffic.
Yeah, we will vacate the runway. Confirm again, we are cleared to cross the runway.
Yes, you want to click across and then proceed when I